Hon.G, ugly duckling brand ambassador and founder of Hairmes Avenue. Hi Sarah.
Hi.
Meet everybody.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
So I'm going to show you a few techniques later of how I'm going to do a highlight on the hair. I'm going to do a slicing highlights through her hair by putting a foil. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use ugly duckling light leaf powder on the outside for you go off to highlight the hair. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give an inner highlight, taking a diagonal section, a very tiny diagonal sections. From here, I'm going to put in the foil, not too near to the leaf, so that it doesn't get a bang. And we will apply it from the mid-length. Make sure it doesn't go above the foil line. And then just hold the foil. And follow on, we will do the same thing. Try not to leave too far away so that it doesn't give you a blank space in between. Okay, I did a horizontal and a vertical highlights for the front hair so that you will mix the highlight flow with a layer that I cut through the hair. So we'll give it a little bit V-shaped cut here so it makes the face a little bit more sharp. And for the back, I use horizontal highlights on the side, diagonal, slightly at the back. Highlight effect after wash. You can see all the highlights is inner, not so much on the outside. That's the highlight flow. Not too much from the top. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to leave her hair using ugly duckling high lifting cream, 130. Leave it up to level 8 or 9. Why do we start from the backs? Because we don't want it to leave too fast at the front. And we'll leave it under the camera zone for 25 minutes. Okay, so after 25 minutes, we'll look at 130 process high lifting. How does the color look like? You can see the lifting colors. Give you a little bit of honey gold. So after we use 100.30, now we are not going to wash off the hair. We'll straight away apply 10.1. Is it 34 on the mid neck. Always remember, try not to go too near to the roots. After applying 10.1, we'll leave it on for 25 minutes. And now the hair color is done. We will just use the blue mixer itself. Blue mixer, 34, only applying on the highlights area. So this is the finishing result using ugly duckling colors, and this is what you see here. Sarah with the new looks, inner highlights. It's not too much on the top. Okay. Can we show you on the right side? Everything is inside. And what I use on the hair, I use 130 to leave up the whole head hair coloring to give you a little bit more honey tone. And after that, after 20 minutes, we'll use 10.1 only on the mid neck. Highlight area on the mid length, all the way down to the ends for 25 minutes. And we use the blue mixer after 25 minutes. So this is the blue tint that you get to see. The camera moves closer. You see the blue tint, which is not like a streak all the way down. It's from dark shade to lighter shade. So when you see the shade inside, it's 100.30. Pure 100.30 high lifting. And this is the honey brown that you will see. It gives you a little bit of reflect and vivid color. Under different light, you see the reflection. Different. So even when Sarah ties up her hair, outside, she'll see all her highlights. Not too much, it is just nice. Daily wear, lifestyle. Using ugly duckling hair color. Ultra conditioning, vivid and shining silky.